Welcome back to another episode. This one's a bit of a hack, so it's just a short one. It's a 270 awning hack. Now, a lot of the awnings, if you've got a rooftop tent like this, you can't get up the back when your awning's up. But I've got a hack for you that will help you get up the top without putting it all away. I'll just set it up first.
A few moments later.
Right, awning's up. As you can see, you can't get up to your rooftop. Right there. So, the trick to this is quite simple. Now I've got a ratchet, not a ratchet strap, but a ratchet rope. Just a cheap one from Bunnings. Alright. You get them from the hardwares, any hardwares. I do have orange ones that are Camp Boss, but I got this one. Now the trick is here, is you got to do this. So come with me. Now I don't know, let me just, there, that's better. Right, this end, you hook up here. Not tall enough, like so. Bring it over. Now I've set up another eyelet up the top here to hook it onto and pull it. Now this one I let go. Boom. That comes around and opens up like that. Now I can get access, and to make it even better, so I don't leave it like that and take me foot off, undo, oh you don't have to undo, I just roll it up and tuck it up. There, if it stays, done. Now I can access, I've still got cover. Perfect. What else would you want? Now I better set up the rooftop.